Hello everyone, my name is Bombshow. You're welcome to my channel. It's a Bombshow television. Musho my latest musho zviri kupisa zvega. Kana uri munyowa, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's a Bombshow television. Nasi ndava good news. Kana une business raunoita imborisa mu comment section unoona kuwana nonechi ne customer kana munhu anozvida. Kana une business raunoita ingoriudza mu comment section unoona kusanganochi nemhene. Tiri ku advertise mahara tine ka promotion sezvo takapinda 7000 ma subscribers. Guys, ndokubigai makapenga. Ndimi munoita tirambe tichiendera kumberi tichaga ma latest. So ndisinganyanye kupedza nguva. Kana uri munyowa ndinokuchingamidza nemufaro. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Ndisinganyanye kupedza nguva. Let's get into today's story, and don't forget to advertise your business with us. Number munozowana pa description ye channel kana kuti ndichadzisa mu comment section. Saka rega tipinde munyaya yanhasi.
Right, today was Tafa's initial appearance at court. It was his initial remand appearance. He was formally placed on remand on a charge of transmission of intimate images without the consent of the complainant. Those are the allegations. He has not been placed on remand on any other charge. So he was admitted to bail by consent of the state after carefully considering the circumstances of the case. We will be back in court, if I'm not mistaken, it should be on the 20th of December 2022. Of course, a report was made by the complainant, and she alleged that she had been raped sometime in July 2021, if I'm not mistaken, and she also alleged physical abuse. But those cases have not been placed before the courts. Those dockets were referred back to station. So we will wait to see what transpires going forward. Thank you very much.
Thank you.